Money.
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 Money. It's a powerful tool, but it's no accident so many of us are struggling with debt. It's how the whole game was designed.
This is your golden opportunity.
When did it become a crime to succeed in this country? Everyone has access to the information. We just know how to analyze it better.
We spotted a suspect trading pattern.
You must get pings like that every day.
All three firms have links to Bobby Axelrod.
Bill Gates, what's your favorite animal?
Dog.
What's your favorite food?
Hamburger.
What do you eat for breakfast?
Nothing.
What is your worst fear?
I don't want my brain to stop working.
The whole housing market is propped up on these bad loans. They will fail.
The housing market is rock solid.
It's a time bomb.
So Mike Burry, who gets his hair cut at Supercuts and doesn't wear shoes, knows more than Alan Greenspan.
Dr. Mike Burry, yes, he does.
These banks, they move millions for the cartels.
The kidnappings, the extortion, the murders, all of that has to do with the money.
They're a member of a class that is not jailable.
Do you think you're a moral person?
I'm a business person.